You made it.
I squeezed. I squeezed.
The dual trail. The creeper forest trail.
My battery's dying. Ah!
A little rabbit coming out of his hole.
I'm waving.
That's freaky. Walking stick all ready to go.
I like this one better.
Skyline to the sea trail. We're going straight-ish to the dual trail.
Ooh, does that mean
Yes, we have to duel, battle with our lightsaber walking sticks. The dual trail. Should have taken off your backpack.
Me next. Look what I found. Some guy. Who wants it? Sophia. Wait, guys, we're not allowed to take souvenirs. Oh, right, yeah. This thing looks fake. What is it? What is it?
Go ahead, Sophia.
You're too brave. You're too brave.
You made it.
I squeezed. I squeezed. What was that?
Plain old trail.
Trail.
No name. Like what trail?
Now this one's Creeping Forest Trail. That other one was just trail.
Creeping Forest Trail. The Creeper Forest Trail. Watch out for creepers.
Don't worry. I can do this fast.
Got your diamond sword ready?
No, but I can make a list.
Got your diamond walking stick ready?
No, but I can make a wood sword, put some trees, make a crafting table.
Baby stream.
What?
Baby stream. Oh, you okay, Ralphie?
Yep.
How are those little legs doing, Sophia?
Bad.
We're almost to the top, I think.
Bad.
Getting worn out?
My battery's dying.
Uh-oh, battery's dying. I think this point right here is the official top. Now it's down.
Good.
Look at this crazy hairpin turn. Switchback. Another switchback.
I love man and puppet shops, don't get me wrong. I did it too.
Shortcut back. Who built a slide right here?
Wait.
I'll let go of it, I don't care. There's tons of sticks,
Oh,
Ralph. No, you're not gonna slide down that. It's too slippery. Let go, Ralph.
Stick.
Let go, let go. Let go,
Stop,
Ralph.
Bill.
Here's another stump picture. Some more stump art. Let's see if we can figure out what it's a picture of.
A face. Eye, mouth.
Oh, okay. Like some kind of little
nose.
ghost face.
Eye, nose. I mean, eye, mouth. Eye, mouth.
It's kind of
Eye,
spooky.
mouth. Eye, nose, mouth. Yeah, that would be its nose.
Climb up on this one, Ralphie.
Okay, I
Get up on
kind
this
of
one.
want to go in the hole.
So just go down? Yeah, you can do that. And then you can come out right here. It pokes all the way through. See my stick?
Uh-huh.
Probably some super old spider webs, but there's nothing in there that you need to be afraid of.
Mom, I'm going in this hole.
Do it.
Picture, Mom.
Pop up and we're gonna call you.
Watch out.
Okay, just
Daddy,
lift yourself down. There you go.
Watch out.
And then under, down here. Down here, dude.
Watch out, Amelia. He's coming under you.
A little rabbit coming out of his hole.
I'm waving.
Hello, rabbit.
Hello.
Hey, you gonna crawl through?
Nick just crawled through.
Nick went through. There's nothing there. You don't gotta worry. There's another rabbit coming out of the hole. Blah. Show me those climbing skills. That's a good foothold right there. Oh. Yeah.
Nikki, get out of my eyes over there. Go, Theo. I'm right.
Yay.
Millie, hold on.
I'm trying to get a cute picture and you're all goofy. Goofy love. That's what I'm talking about. That's freaky. Okay, walk it. Do it, walk it. You comfortable doing that?
Yeah.
It's flat up there. It's not wet.
I'm comfortable doing crab walk.
Crab walk? You could do it crab walk style. I'll just follow your trail, Sophia. You show me where to go. I'm supposed to go over like that? I'm supposed to like run into this log? I'm just following that trail, so you better not lead me into anything too crazy.
I'll drop it in here. Yay!
Did you make that giant crack right there?
Yes.
Oh my goodness, you're so powerful.
Just like cracking.
This is a crazy jungle gym down here.
Jungle gym.
Yeah, look. Look at this jungle gym down here.
I want to do the jungle
Here,
gym.
let's go. Follow, just be careful with your step.
I'm going to do jungle gym.
Look, it's like everywhere you go, it's different.
Daddy, I want to make.
There's a cave right there.
I want to make.
It goes all
my
the way through.
own step.
It goes all the way through.
Bam!
What bam!
My
Yes.
own step.
I broke it into a cave.
That cave goes all the way through, Nick, if you want to try it.
Why do I have to do this to myself?
Because it's fun. Hello.
Hello.
You want to do the teeter-totter? This jungle gym has all sorts of things. Teeter-totters, tunnels to climb through. Okay, let's go up this way. Oh, watch your step right there. And then you got to hop across like this.
Or just take a step.
Yep. Just keep your balance. Hop right through that little step area right there.
Or do this.
Perfect.
I didn't hop at all.
Easy peasy.
See you in 1,000 years.
Bye-bye, Ralphie. Pound it. Explode it.
See you in 1,000 Bye.
Oh, you were saying bye to me too? Okay, bye, Sophia. Did you like that guy?
This is my blaster.
Your blaster stick.
Pew, 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 pew. Victory!
Do you remember the throne stump? Yeah. It's like King's chair.
Quiet, dog.
Oh my gosh, that dog is annoying. He's all squeaky. There you go. King of the forest. It doesn't even sound like a dog. He's all squeak, 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 squeak.
That's probably the weirdest dog noise I've ever heard. Get down, get down, get down, get down.
This game is called Whacking Stuff with a Stick. Good one.
Ooh.
If we walk down here and explore down the creek, but we could walk from here down this creek to that beach area and we'd end up at the waterfall. Then another steep one, we'll want to go around this. Lots of
Water skeeters in there.
yeah, lots of skeeters. Look at them all in there.
Oh, yeah.
They're all over the place in there. And then that gets dense. So we'll cut around this way, under the bridge. There's another bridge.
I need to identify everything.
By whacking it. What? Look, did you see this up here? Someone put a chair up there. Right there.
Oh my! Let's go sit in it.
That's a crazy place for a chair. And look, you can go right through this tree's roots.
Thank you for making a bridge for us. No, thank you, plant. Plant, get out of my face.
You fighting with that plant? There's another stump to climb.
Here's your stump.
Stump. Dun dun dun. Good pose. Ooh.